Next also we hippopotamus, and this is string. It's a hippopotamus. Next is a plant. Hippopotamus. And this is hippopotamus. And this is yellow hippopotamus. And then hippopotamus green. And this is side. And this is yellow. It's on the top. Hippopotamus. And this is orange. Hippopotamus orange, and then yellow hippopotamus. Yellow hippopotamus. And this is orange. You can decide. This one you can look at them. Hippopotamus. And then hippopotamus blue. Oh my gosh. And this is blue hippopotamus and orange hippopotamus. And the last orange is the playdoh. Hippopotamus. And this is hippopotamus. And this is blue hippopotamus and red hippopotamus. Bye bye guys, so this is thumbs up and thank you for watching, bye bye.